All right, folks, we're up here in the Berkshires in Pittsfield, Massachusetts. We have 4 Ring Street today. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. We're here with Harmony. Boom. She is gonna go in and show us around here, this awesome house.
3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house close to downtown Pittsfield and in close proximity to both major lakes in Berkshire County. This house includes washer and dryer hookups, all electric heat, hot water, easy to maintain yard, big shed in back for additional storage.
I really love the proximity to downtown Pittsfield. A lot of great restaurants, a lot of great theaters. It's dope down there.
This house has been recently renovated with granite countertops, beautiful white cabinets, stainless steel appliances. Very close distance to Capeless Elementary School, close distance to Taconic High School. Very close distance to the state forest. Great hiking trails, water sports, and outdoor fun.
All right, this house is awesome, Harmony. If you want to take a look, give her a buzz. Her contact information's right on the screen. You want to get pre-approved? Hey, those out here, this place is in a perfect price range too for that mass housing and the new Mass Dreams program. So, want to see if you can get qualified? Give me a buzz. Love to help out. Contact information's on the screen. Call Harmony for the house. Call me for the money. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. This has been your local look. See you next time. We're out of here.